Are you thinking about selling your property this year? Exciting times ahead. And I bet a swirl of emotions too, right? Let's navigate this journey together with some golden nuggets of advice that will help many sellers just like you. You're probably feeling a mix of excitement and anxiety, maybe even a touch of nostalgia, and that's perfectly normal. Selling your property is more than just a transaction. It's a life-changing experience. Moving is an emotional process every time. And here are 3 pieces of advice we always give sellers. First, let's talk pricing. Price your property too high and buyers will probably just walk right on by. Too low, you're potentially leaving dollars on the doorstep. And here's where we come in. Together we'll pinpoint that sweet spot, aligning your property's current value with the pulse of the current market. Next up, it's managing emotions. It's like saying goodbye to an old friend. This has been more than just walls and a roof. It's part of your story and it's normal to feel attached. That's why we're here, to offer an objective yet empathetic ear, making sure emotions don't cloud the deal. And lastly, let's chat about staging. Think of it as setting the stage for your property's big debut. It's about decluttering, maybe saying goodbye to those family photos and quirky collectibles. Why? So buyers can walk in and immediately start imagining their life here, making it their home. Want more savvy tips and personalized guidance? Let's connect. With our expertise in real estate and mortgage, we're here to ensure your selling journey is not just successful, but also stress-free and rewarding. Imagine handing over those keys, feeling confident and satisfied, knowing you made the best moves at every step. That future is just a conversation away. Reach out to us, the Nathanson Brothers Real Estate and Mortgage Team, and let's turn this thinking about it into a thrilled we did it.